Morning Boomers. It's the voice here. Champagne. Back with another live stream. Shout out to Maurice, Punish, Paul Potato, the rest of the Cryptomaniac soldiers. We just turned on the live stream right now. We're preheating this crypto oven to 450 and beyond, to 10K and beyond. Will Bitcoin break resistance today? Let's see. I think there is everything's hinging right now on the resistance of 9.6. It appears. I got an article here, and let's see if we can crack through this. We're coming close. We may be on a path to 10K. Let's see what's going on. We're staying tuned in. We'll keep you up to date with the portfolio that we constructed yesterday, the community virtual altcoin portfolio that we slapped up together yesterday. Let's see if we can outperform Bitcoin with that altcoin portfolio that we're managing for fun virtually. Kaboom. Shout out to Raptorman. See you. Shout out to Maurice, Punish GT, Paw Potato, the rest of the Cryptomaniac savages out there deep in the blockchain battlefield trenches. Remember where you heard the first kaboom? Right here with your favorite YouTuber, Champagne. Now they're trying to take this boomer meme on me like we haven't been Bitcoin booming since the very beginning. Shout out to Double X with the shades. I see you out there. Let's check out today's math. Let me turn off these coins. 12 concurrent viewers. I'm getting ads here from the Brave browser left and right. Guys, if you haven't downloaded this Brave browser, I need you to do it immediately. Stop playing games, calling yourself a Cryptomaniac savage, and you don't even use crypto. Okay? I need you using it. So download the Brave browser, whether it's from my link or the other link. I got links down. I got the linkage down there in the description. Just do it. And, do support something that's crypto friendly. It's the easiest way, in my opinion. Hey, champ, I changed my username. Happy I just cashed in my initial investment. Shout out to Crypto Space SAA. Okay. Shout out to you. Kaboom. And congratulations. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you boomers and stay up to date with today's mathematics. Let's see if Bitcoin will break today's resistance at 9.6. I'll let you take a sneak peek over there at the crypto portfolio that we constructed yesterday and more, and more, and more. Kaboom. Turn off these coins on. You can see Bitcoin looking strong, breaking out. Let me show you. This is the 1 month chart. We're clearly, in a new upward trend. I think this is already clear. This channel that we were in for the past 6 months was broken, around the 15th of January, 14th of January, and ever since then, it's been a clear path northwards. Right now, we're experiencing some resistance around 9.6, but we're, on the high today right now. So currently, we're fighting that battle. Let me click this ad. I'm clicking ads here, making bats or earning bats. Do it now. Let me go ahead and share you that 1 day. So this is that 1 day chart looking strong. 95.49 on the 1 day. I'll pull up CoinMarketCap. We'll run down the prices. I'll share with you guys my altcoin portfolio, our altcoin portfolio that we constructed yesterday. We'll see if it's doing better than 95.49. So what we did is we took yesterday, the price of Bitcoin was $9,200. So we took $9,200 and bought altcoins yesterday, virtually for fun, okay? And we made a portfolio. We're going to be tracking that portfolio. Let's see if we can outperform Bitcoin. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Shout out to CryptoZilla. How's everything out there in Japan, CryptoZilla, with the corona? Is it still doom and gloom, or is it a little bit better? Out here in the States, it's not as much doom and gloom, but I heard they quarantine flights from China. So if you're coming in from China, you're going to get quarantined for 2 weeks in a military camp. I've never heard of this before. People getting quarantined out there. So it's interesting. Hopefully everything's okay for our boomer bro out there in Japan, CryptoZilla. Stay strong out there. ETH is over 200. Okay, let's go ahead and check out today's math over there on CoinMarketCap, and we'll proceed forward. CMC looking good. $269 billion worldwide. Bitcoin dominance continues to decrease, which shows me that the alts are strong. Altcoins are looking strong. Bitcoin dominance at 64.5. At one point, guys, we identified in the last CoinMarketCap report 2019 that there was Bitcoin dominance about 30% in the height of the Bitcoin boom. So I would expect the altcoins to continue to gain weight if Bitcoin's going to boom. So, that boom, usually, a rising tide lifts all ships. Everything follows in the wake of Bitcoin. And let's see. Bitcoin there at 95.34. Ether at 199. Okay, all right, up 5.6%. We got Ripples up at 27 cents. Bitcoin Cash is pumping up 14%. Bitcoin Cash is not playing games. It seems to me like the Bitcoin brand is strong, and when they see a top 4 coin that's substantially less in price than Bitcoin, it seems like some people want to snag up that Bitcoin Cash. Okay, at 431. I don't have any Bitcoin Cash, but I'm not mad at it at all. Satoshi Vision does seem a little funny bunny to me. What happened? Yesterday was the 4th. Did he provide the evidence, or was it another hurry up and wait type of incident? That one's at 301. Litecoin looking strong as well at $72. EOS looking good at 446. Binance is up 1931. Cardano is up there almost 6 cents. Tezos is performing like a fourth batter on TRT right now. Tezos there on 214, up 10% in the past 24 hours, and in the past month it's been completely performing like it's on TRT/PEDs ABC. EFG. Okay, guys. Ethereum Classic at 1240. Monero. Guys, Monero's my favorite of all the crypt walkers, but I do identify that Monero won't gain as much weight as some others, but it definitely won't lose as much weight as others as well. I expect it to basically float around the top 20 always. I don't even know if it's going to be top 10, but Monero, and because of that, I got a little bit of Monero in our baggies. Stellar at 6, Tron at 2, Lucian's here, Batman's here, Crypto Space is here, Rafterman's here, JoJo's here. We got Cryptomaniac Savage Boomers in the population of the chat box. Kaboom, David Couch, I see you out there. So let's, before we talk about Bitcoin, let's take a sneak peek over there at the altcoin portfolio that we constructed yesterday. Looking strong. I haven't taken a peek. I did this morning, and it was better than Bitcoin. But right now, we're about it. At 96.73. Let me share my screen. And there it is. This is the altcoin portfolio that we constructed yesterday. I want to repeat, this is not real. It's virtual, but we're treating it as such. We put some Binance in the baggie, CRO in the baggie, FTX in the baggie, KuCoin in the baggie, Monero and Tezos. Guys, I'm thinking maybe we should have gotten Huobi instead of KuCoin. This could have been, maybe we should have done that. Look at the watch list. You could see these are the coins that we got on our watch list. So, if we're going to make some trades, we're going to consider these coins. Chainlink, RLC, Theta, VeChain, Zcash, Huobi, Leo, Cardano, Verge, ETH, EOS, ICX, Quant, Nexo, ZB, Tron, Zen, Dash, NRG, and HedgeTrade. HedgeTrade is moving out there. Did not get to you yesterday, champ. Sorry. It's all good, Rafterman. Thank you so much. Rafterman showing love. The most gratuitous boomers here in the box. I appreciate you, Rafterman. Stay strong out there. Guys, follow Rafterman's lead. Drop a couple ducats in the bucket if you're getting value from the stream. So you could see that, are we outperforming Bitcoin? 96.73. It seems like by $100. 95.50. Yeah, by about $100. Thank you again, Rafterman. I appreciate you. Shout out to Dark Party. Shout out to Crypto Space. So you could see the portfolio that we constructed yesterday is, slightly over about $100. We'll keep an eye on it. Today, in the past 24 hours, our top performing coin in our bag is FTX in the past 24 hours. There you go. Well, no, actually, it's Binance. No, it's Tezos, up 9%, excuse me. So how about that? Usually in this position, if I was a day trader, I'd probably take some profits from Tezos and move it into something else. But let's leave it like this for now. Let's not go wild with the trades right now. Let's let it bubble. Let's let it sit there for a second, and let's look at it. 96.73 on the altcoin bags. Ducats in the bucket indeed. Ducats in the bucket indeed. Guys, if you are getting value from the stream, the super chat's open. Throw a couple ducats in the bucket. Don't show up to the party empty-handed, okay? If you're broke cryptomaniac, that's basically an oxymoron. I don't want any broke cryptomaniacs, but let's say that you are for whatever reason. Then share this on your social media feed. Drop a positive comment there's other ways that you could contribute to the community. What is a good stake coin I can use? Like I want to put 100 to 200 in every month and getting good interest rate, says Punish GT. I don't know what to tell you, Punish. You know, if I would, in my position, I just keep getting more Bitcoin. You know, that's basically where it's at now. You know, another thing you can consider is some of those DeFi platforms. You know, decentralized finance platform where you can lend out your crypto and get some interest through the smart contract. But you know, that's a decision you're gonna have to make on your own. Me personally, I'd probably just pick up more bits. You know, maybe somebody else want to give an opinion. Again, we're just giving our opinions. We don't know what we're talking about. Teslas went up fast, so I think we will see a dump soon, says Punish GT. Yeah, that's why I just mentioned normally when things go up so fast, I may take a little profit, move it into another coin. But for now, I'm going to leave that one bubbling. We just got into Tezos yesterday, and it's good. We're up 10%. For staking, Tezos, Cosmos, and soon Cardano, says Lucian. So there you go. What's good, champ? My portfolio is looking good. Always looking forward to your streams, bro, says Jaron. Welcome back, Jaron. CryptoZilla says Tezos and ICX are good stakers. Icon is kapumping, but it dumped today. Icon is the Korean Ethereum. It was up like 30% yesterday. I think it dropped another like 10, 15% today. Let's look at the winners and losers. Icon dropped 8%, which is not so bad considering it went up 30% yesterday. MadeSafe is down. Aion, Engine, Verge, Swipe, Leo. These coins are down today, but not too bad. You know, Leo's in our watch list out of all these, so that's something to consider. Let's see if there's any major gainers. Hedera Hashgraph. What's this? I've been seeing this one stick out at me. Someone just mentioned it as well. A decentralized public network for you to make your own digital world exactly as should be. What, you know, give me the third generation public ledger. Crypto smart contracts, file service, consensus service. Okay, another basically smart contract platform. I'll keep an eye on this one. Crypto Space says you can easily make profit with BTC instead of staking. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. You know, I don't know about, you know, straight profit, but I think that it's a lot more stable just holding the Bitcoin than, because see, the thing is with some of these staking coins, and I'll give you a perfect example of a coin that we actually have in our portfolio that I'm attracted to. But you know, it serves well for this example. CRO, this is a coin that I believe you can set up a node with and stake and receive rewards, but there's a minimum amount, I think of like 10,000 or 1,000 coins, whatever. That being said, right now it's 5 cents. I was looking at this coin considering staking it when it was 6 cents. Okay, here's the thing. I would have picked up the bags at 6 cents, right? And then it dropped to a point at like 3 cents. So what good is all that staking if the value of the coin's going down, or if it goes down just a little bit? You know, that's kind of, you know, so like, let's say if I would have bought the node at 6 cents, then I would have been generating coins that ended up being worth 3 cents. So the node is worth half, even though it's spitting coins at me. It's, you know, you understand where I'm coming from? So you got to watch out with some of these coins. Like, if the price of the coin's volatile and if it can move a lot, then the staking is not so attractive. I'm interested in staking a coin that has a little bit less volatility. If you even hold a fraction of the bits, you're an elite. Indeed. David Couch just dropped me $2. Thank you, David. Boom. Appreciate you so much, guys. David came through with the $2. Rafterman with the $2. A little bit of ducats here in the bucket. A little gratuity from the Cryptomaniacs. Thank you so much, guys. If you're getting value from the stream, don't show up to the party empty-handed. Throw $1 here in the bin. If not, drop a positive comment or share this on your Twitters or your Grams or whatever social media network that you choose to be spied upon, because you know they're looking at you, guys. They're watching you. So make sure they're watching you watch me out here, guys, and spread the word. Thank you, Crypto Space, and thank you, David Couch, for the $2. Turn off these coins. Let me share my screen again with you guys. I'm about to get into this article here by Hefe Khan. You know, I like his articles, even though he was a little bit doom and gloom with this coronavirus, but whatever. Punish GT, I heard about it from Bitcoin Ben, another YouTuber. BitTrue. Yeah, I heard something about BitTrue. I don't know about that. But yeah, Rafterman said he heard about it from Bitcoin Ben. Beverly Gress has punished GT. Okay. Let me go ahead and get into this article. Bitcoin at a do or die. Everything hinges on the price breaking past 9.6K. And we're right there at 95.50. Okay. So this article says Bitcoin has run into resistance at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Hold on. Let me click this ad and make some BAT tokens. All day long. If it's a BAT, even if it's a couple cents, give it to me because I'll swap it out, throw it into Bitcoin. And BAT has been gaining weight today. So good. Okay, let's get back to the matter at hand. If the price fails to break effectively past this level to shoot higher and begin an uptrend, it risks to lose everything during the next decline and could drag it down to the 61.8 fib retracement level at 6.2K. I doubt that we're going back to 6.2K, but you know. So basically, if we can't hit 9.6, then we may be going to 6.2. I don't know if I agree with this, but this is what they're saying. The price is still struggling to break past the strong resistance zone. It is very unlikely for Bitcoin to break past the zone. So this guy's not a believer right now. However, it is not going to stop the retail bulls from going long. Every time we see abrupt bullishness like this, we see a lot of retail bulls get overly excited. This is because most of them are still so sure about the price going to the moon before the next halvening. And that's true. There's still a lot of people that are saying the moon for the next halvening. The daily charts. What else does he say? So, you know, he's saying that's a critical. The market makers always end up preying on both retail bulls and bears, but in different ways. The interesting part is that while they may be bullish or bearish, they are essentially the same in what influences their thoughts and decisions in most ways. Now that Bitcoin is close to the 38.2 fib retracement level again, many retail bears would be quite scared that the market could flip bullish and go against them. As a matter of fact, we saw 12 million shorts being liquidated on BitMEX in the past 6 hours. So it appears that the market will end up doing the inevitable before it does that. It is going to shake out as many retail bears as possible and trap in as many retail bulls as possible. So, I mean, you know, I don't know if it's going to be this drastic, but, you know, we have been on a steady rise for a few weeks now. Could we see a strong pullback, go back into the $8,000 range or perhaps even the $6,000, $7,000 range? You know, it's still a possibility, okay? I'm not sure if we're going to go to 6.2. I see the bottom strong at 6.5. And, you know, we tested it several times. So, you know, I'm not that negative like this article is. But, you know, I'm a realist, so I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, we get to 96, 97 or close to 10K and there's a little pullback. Like I told you guys before, on the path to 10,000 and beyond, we're going to see some sell-offs. And that's normal, okay? I expect to see a sell-off when we hit 10K. There's people waiting around with bags that they've had for a while and they've been waiting for that golden number, that 10K number to get out the game. Some people, you know, they've been holding since 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, and they want to dump on us at 10K, and that's okay. So, you know, expect some sell-offs. Now, all that being said, we're still going up. We're still going up, boomers. We're still going up. I really doubt that we're going to go under, you know, let's pull this line. This is the level we were at before. You know, let's pull this line a little further to see where we're at. I doubt it that we're going to go below that old support. I doubt it. Rafterman says it makes the space healthy. I guess you're saying about, you know, the pullbacks and stuff. Yeah, you know, I much more like it when I like it much more when we don't just, you know, like for instance, last summer when, you know, things all of a sudden went to 13.8 like out of nowhere and everybody's like, champ, it's about to go to all-time high. I got a little spooky there for a second. I think when things go up too fast, too quick, it gets spooky. And I much rather just get there incrementally, you know, a little up, a little down, but, you know, every day move, and it's a lot more healthy. You know, you blast those gains and then, you risk a strong pullback and a strong sell-off, which we saw. Things could pump to 13.8, and then they gradually just sold off, and before you know, we were never above 10K again. So, let's see. Let's see how it all pulls, how it all pans out. But like I've said in the past, and I'll continue to say again, 2020, in my personal opinion, is about Bitcoin conquering and remaining above $10,000 for the majority of the year. And that's something that it hasn't done yet. So let's see if we could do that this year. Get above 10K and keep it there. That's what I want to see. 2019, we stayed above 5K, which was good. Crypto Space has been holding since 3,800, and he's happy he pulled out some cash today. There you go. Yeah, and there's other people like that. They've been holding for 4, 5, 6, and they've been holding the bags, and they're like, oh, I'm going to take some profits around 10,000. And that's what we can expect, and that's all good. So the path to 10K and an all-time high, we're going to have to fight for it, and that's okay. It's totally what I'm expecting. But right now, it's looking good. We very well may break this 9.6. We very well may break the 9.6 today. And if we do, we could touch 10K. Now, for us staying above 10K in the next week, I don't think so. We're going to have to fight for it. I'm glad that we made our move yesterday and we constructed our portfolio because things were trading sideways for a while. I told you guys, I waited for things to settle down, and usually after they settle down for 3, 4, 5 days, there's another move. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. That's usually how it goes. There's movements, then it settles for like a day or 3, and that's when I like to make my moves. I don't like to make the moves when things are moving too much. I like it when it settles and then boom, attack. And it was a good move yesterday. We attacked the altcoins and we're up. Let's go ahead and show that portfolio once again. Bitcoin is 95, and just as long as our altcoin portfolio is outperforming Bitcoin is the goal here. And again, I'm not an altcoin maniac. I'm a Bitcoin maximalist when it comes to the portfolio. But since I'm not going to be, trading the bits, we just made an altcoin portfolio. That's it. And see if we can, outperform it. And you could see so far we are. Right now we're almost at $9,700. So that's what it is. And if you're interested in which coins we're holding, we're going to be buying and selling out of this portfolio as time progresses. We got Binance, CRO, FTX, KuCoin, Monero, and Tezos. I'm looking at KuCoin a little sideways. I think I should have gotten Huobi, but it's up. So let's keep it there and let's see what's shaking and baking. I prefer a slow and steady rise. So do I, Rafterman. Is Hedera Hashgraph an ERC20? Where could I buy it? I don't know, but if it's a ERC20, but I'll tell you where you could buy it. Just go over here to CoinMarketCap and click on markets, and you can see which markets are market pairs, and I'll tell you which Binance, Upbit, OKX, Bittrex. It looks like most of the action's over there on Binance. Derek says, get rid of KuCoin. It's an exchange token, but I think that Huobi, yeah, I agree. Huobi, I think my intent was to get Huobi. I always mix up KuCoin and Huobi. I've used both of the exchanges, and they're very similar. I think I got into them at the same time. But yeah, Huobi is superior as far as market cap. So I may swap out the Ku for Huobi. And I said that at the beginning of the broadcast. I was like, hold up, I got KuCoin instead of Huobi. What do I think about Phantom or SNX? They have big staking rewards. I don't think about them. I don't really know much about them, GT. I'm going to be honest. I've heard about Phantom. I haven't even heard about SNX. All right, guys, we've been on for about 25 minutes. I may continue this broadcast on DLive. Because we haven't been on DLive for a few days. Okay, thanks for that. Going to buy some Hedera now. Okay, yeah. I mean, I'm not saying to buy it or not to buy it, but CoinMarketCap shows you where you can. Yeah, let's do that, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take a small intermission here, and then we'll go ahead and fire up the DLive. Just because, I don't want to give all the crypto sauce over here to YouTube. Why not? And we'll continue to talk over there. We'll have an open discussion if you like. and go ahead and hang out on DLive for a while, throw some lemons out, and enjoy ourselves. Bitcoin will go down after impeachment, but as the election gets closer, Bitcoin will boom, in my view. Okay, that's reasonable. I think we're going to see an overall upward trend to about maybe a few weeks or a month before the halvening that's going to occur sometime in May. That's what I'm expecting. Now, how strong is it going to go up? I don't know. But, just as long as we conquer this 10,000 and we stay above 10K, I'll be happy with that. There's some people that expects us to hit all-time highs or come close. I'm not sure if I'm buying that, be honest with you guys. But, I think that, overall, we're gonna go up from where we're at now. Maybe we come up short and we stay up, at 11K or 10.5, or if we hit 12 or 13, I'll be happy. Geron says, thanks for that tip, champ. No problem. It's always there on CoinMarketCap. You could find most of that information. Derek says, champ, how do you feel about Mayor Pete winning Iowa? I don't feel anything about it. I'm not voting for Mayor Pete. I don't support sodomy in that way. We could talk about that on DLive, guys. We can get into those discussions or whatever you like. It's all good. The champ's open. I don't shy away from topics, guys. Let's go ahead and do that. DLive.tv. Go ahead and follow me out there, guys. I'm trying to get 200 followers out there. We got about, I think, like 90 or 100 followers right now. Once I get to 200 followers, I can do like members-only chats, and I can do I think custom memes, or you could subscribe monthly if you'd like. Or there's a couple features there that I can unlock if I get 200 followers. So head over there, DLive.tv. Follow me. I'm going to take a quick intermission, get something to drink, and fire up the broadcast. Continue it over there. Again, DLive.tv/ at Champagne Crypto. No, DLive.tv/ Champagne Crypto. There you go. And I'll see you there. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.